Hello everyone. I'm here to work on my scavenger hunt again. I need, let's see, a ribbon, a dry cleaning tag, buttons, and then there was a dress form. And I'm going to put all three of those onto the same page. I'm going to use this page right here. Probably ought to have some wax paper in there. Actually, there's 4 things, I think. Let's see, we need to get this dress form off of this piece of paper. Or get the birds off of the dress form, whichever way you want to look at it. Now, let's see here. Oh, that one doesn't look too bad. Last thing I did with tissue paper in here with a glue stick, it didn't really look all that great. That's alright. That's real good. This is a fun project. It's just been a very fun project. I'm enjoying it. I don't know if I'll finish it, but I'm going to try. This is my dry cleaning tag, and I'm going to tell you what, this has to be old because my husband hasn't worn his suit in several years. So, and we have a ribbon. Okay. Just seems too big. There we go. There we go. Okay. Alright. I think I'm going to take that off. I don't like that one, so. And this was attached to it, so I'm going to put it in there with it. I thought this would be absolutely impossible to find as far as the dry cleaning tag. My go-to thought was to send my sister a message and see if she had one, because I just don't dry clean anything. If it can't be washed in the wash machine, it doesn't need to be around. So Okay, so we have those, and now we have buttons as far on our list. And it said buttons, not just one, it said buttons. So I picked up, I don't know that I'm going to put all 3 of them in. I'm probably just going to put 2 of them in. Yep, and I don't like the 3rd one in there. Now, I think I have said this before, you do not have to make pages with your scavenger hunt items. That is not part of the requirement. What you just have to find all of them to put into your journal or whatever you're going to use to put them in. So, okay, so we have dress form, ribbon, buttons, and dry cleaning tag. Okay, buttons is 34. Oh, come on, come off of here. Best form is 16. I need the dry cleaning tag. Ribbon is 45. And dry cleaning tag is 51. Okay. Okay. The other day, last week, whenever it was I worked last, I painted I'd used finger paint and a color that I didn't like. But I did it with intention that when it was dry, I have to do a mind map of a color, which is 57. I'm going to go ahead and write them down. 7. Oh, that may be all that it is. A mind map of a color, which is 57. So I am going to mind map the color yellow. Obviously. That's also a color I dislike. I find trouble using. So we're going to mind map the color yellow. Oh, and we're going to have to be very careful writing on that. Maybe I better grab something to, it's kind of stiff. There are things that are 3-dimensional under here, so. Okay, we have sunshine. Okay, good day. Lemons. What do we do with lemons? We use them in our tea. Cook with them? Lemonade? Oh, let me think. If you mix yellow with red, Mix orange. Mix it with blue. Mix green. Jelly beans? Don't ask what, don't ask what. Oh, but that makes me think of Starburst. And I like the yellow ones. See, yellow is a tough color for me because I don't like it. So I need to use yellow more. In my art, in my beads, in my art, and beads. Minions. I think there's a Minion movie I haven't seen. Okay. Highlighters. That doesn't help. I mean, it's really not a very great thing for a mind map. Oh, yellow is close to gold. Which is shiny. I honestly can't think of anything more. So we are going to call that plenty for today. I've already marked that one off, so there's quite a list. I'm surprised at how much is left for as much as we've gotten done. Oh, you know what? I have an inspirational word or quote. I will have to do that one next time. I'm going to settle for this today, and I'll be reading you, let's see, a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity. Let's get this page out where you can see it. This is a more interesting page than the mind map, so let's see. This is from 1001 Ways to Creativity. And let's bring it in a little bit. There we go. To create like a god, you must first work like a slave. Okay. Okay, guys. Go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.